With more than 3,400 deaths in Italy, 3,200 deaths in China, and around 1,100 deaths in Iran, Corona is officially announced as pandemic by World Health Organization. These rising cases have caused a run on hand sanitizers. As sanitizer ran out of stock, sellers started charging more and more for them. But you don't need to be worried about these inflated charges, because in this video, I'll tell you a simple recipe with simple ingredients that you can easily get from any local pharmacy to make your own hand sanitizer. But before getting into this video, make sure to click the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Ingredients. A hand sanitizer can be prepared with 3 simple ingredients, with each having its distinct function. Number 1. 90% isopropyl alcohol. Number 2. Aloe vera gel. Number 3. Oil. You can also use 70% isopropyl alcohol called rubbing alcohol, but 90% alcohol is more effective in killing germs. But keep in mind, don't replace isopropyl alcohol with any other drinking alcohol like vodka. Now take a clean dry bottle and fill its 3 out of 4 parts with isopropyl alcohol. Now add aloe vera gel to make it 100%. You can also add essential oil to the mix. It will eradicate sweet smell of alcohol. Shake the bottle well to mix the ingredients, but make sure that every tool that you are using should not be contaminated in any way. Otherwise, you'll get infected instead of getting disinfected. I hope this will help you make your own hand sanitizer. Do you have any other recipe to make a sanitizer at home? If yes, tell us in the comment section.